Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is the Foggy Bottom Kabuki Show report for the last day of December, the year of perfect vision. I held off on recording anything about the Kabuki Show for the last couple of 3 days because I wanted to be able to say something definite. Well, there's definitely not going to be any guest roasters or props at the roast of the roasty. So there'll be no rubber chickens, no obscure comments coming out of the wings talking about strange sexual peccadillos. I mean, it is sad because of the way they ran the roast for the last week. I know they were preserving decorum and the majesty of the government and all that. But I'd have much rather seen a couple of senators duking it out over here, down here in the well, a couple of them were tag teaming another one from the other party. Boom, boom. I really wanted to see a senator beat another one down to the floor with his gutta percha walking stick. That's history. It actually happened in the Senate during a debate. One senator beat another one to the floor, unconscious.
What?
Gutta percha walking stick. Wouldn't that be interesting? I mean, that's show business. I mean, the way they're running it now, I mean, it's as boring as history. Anyway, Poppy will get back to you with another report once there's something definite or comedically worthwhile to report. Good night from California.